So some of you were asking if we can just post a video about the Bitcoin price crossing and breaks the $50,000, if we can just relate to it. So yesterday, the Fortune magazine said that what's happening with Bitcoin crossing, breaking the $50,000 is due to ETFs, the Fed cuts, and the halving. The halving is about to happen about 2 months from now, mid-April. So the market is factoring it already. And let's talk about the Fed cuts very shortly and the ETFs. So try to read the article. If you watch our video here, how to read those articles when you have this problem, you're going to see how to do it. And what they're saying here in the article is that if those ETF inflows continue at this pace because they keep on buying it, then Bitcoin will go up every day. But we don't see that Bitcoin is going up every day. It was $50,000 and it lost about $1,500. Why? So in Cointelegraph about 1 hour ago, they posted an article explaining that the markets are going to rule out Fed rate cuts. Why? Because of inflation worries. So if the Fed is not going to cut the rates because of inflation, then other countries will follow suit. They're not going to cut the rates, and then we're going to be in a position where Bitcoin might even lose some value despite the halving because the rate's going to remain high. This is what's been going on for a very long time. So it could be a temporary ceiling. That's what we feel right now, and that's what it seems to be as well. But other than this Bitcoin versus the dollar, if you look at many other altcoins such as XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Memecoin, Polygon, and Litecoin, and all the others, many others, they haven't gained so much value. The markets don't seem to buy too many altcoins. It again seems to be Bitcoin versus the dollar. It's not what we want to see. We want to see more investments into other crypto altcoins because that's going to fuel the cryptocurrency market. And that's the main driver behind the crypto markets when they go up. So if it's only Bitcoin versus the dollar, then yes, you might want to feel like what you're seeing here is a problem to be worried. So hopefully this short video explaining to you why Bitcoin just broke the $50,000 and what you could expect next. What's going to happen 2-3 days, week from now, it's hard to say. But just keep on reading articles like this. You're going to be able to see a lot of good information. And if you don't know how to read those articles, watch this video here. And if you want to see another coin that was actually performing extremely well before we finish the video, then check the Stacks coin. It went up by almost 40% in the last 7 days. We did talk about it over a month ago here in our video. We did suggest that it's a really good currency to buy and invest. So you can see Stacks is performing really well. It's really pretty much linked to the Bitcoin blockchain. So that's why the markets like this coin. It has some problems, some drawbacks that it needs to fix. Dividends were not paid several cycles and things like that. But overall, it's a pretty interesting currency to look at. So this short video hopefully is giving you short insight, what's happening with the Bitcoin price, why it has changed, what you could expect. Hopefully we just explained it to you really briefly in a few minutes instead of talking for 20 minutes like many others doing on YouTube. That's our goal, to provide you good content in a short time, just providing whatever you need to know as briefly as we can do it. If you have any comments, questions, whatever, please feel free to drop them below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.